Hello guys, so if you're looking how to use private mode in Midjourney, if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So it's a very simple task. All you have to do is to simply enable private mode in your Midjourney, and then after you have enabled that option, the art that you will generate in Midjourney will not be available in the public gallery of Midjourney. So to enable the private mode, all you have to do is simply type in / and stealth. Just simply type it and hit enter, and if you have the plan for the private mode, it will enable. But for me, I don't have the plan, so it won't enable for me, because you need to upgrade to the pro plan of Midjourney to access private mode. Or you can also enable it by going to the settings of Midjourney by clicking / and settings, then hit enter. Then you can just simply disable the public mode over here, and the private mode will enable if you have the plan. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.